Hello everyone, welcome to Holistic Nutrition. Today I am gonna share some post-workout meal. Number 1. Coconut water. Coconut water is a great post-workout beverage due to its hydrating and electrolyte replenishing properties. It helps restore fluids and essential minerals like potassium, magnesium and sodium lost through sweat, aiding in muscle recovery and preventing cramps. Number 2. Oats. Oats are also an excellent post-workout meal. After exercising, your muscles need glycogen replenishment, and the carbs in oatmeal help restore these energy levels. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs offer numerous benefits after a workout due to their high protein content, which aids in muscle repair and growth. They also provide essential amino acids including leucine, which is crucial for protein synthesis. Number 4. Fish. Fish is rich in protein and abundance of omega-3 fatty acids, which aids in muscle recovery and reduce inflammation. Number 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent post-workout food. Packed with protein and probiotics, it aids in faster muscle recovery and promotes gut health. Number 6. Tofu salad. A tofu salad can be a beneficial post-workout meal due to its high protein content, which aids in muscle repair and growth. It also provides essential amino acids, calcium, iron, and other nutrients important for overall recovery and energy replenishment. Number 7. Soya chunk. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source, which is crucial for muscle recovery and overall bodily function. It also reduces muscle soreness after workout.